Hi everyone, I welcome you all. In today's class, we are going to discuss about 10th Standard Second Language English SSLC Board Paper 2020-21. Okay, are you ready? Let us start. Second Language English 31E. So instructions given here. Come to the first question. Four alternatives, four choices are given for the each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer among them and shade the correct option in the OMR answer sheet given to you with a black or blue ballpoint pen. Okay, right. First question. The child laughed loudly. The child laughed loudly. The part of the speech underlined word is AR and adverb, pronoun, adjective, preposition. The right option is adjective. Is it? Child laughed loudly. So adverb. It comes before the adverb always comes after the verb. Laugh verb, loudly adverb. The right option is option A adverb. Sudhir is a dash MP and his wife is dash homemaker. So an MP. So an a MP. So A sound is there. So an MP, his wife is a house homemaker. His house sorry. Sudhir is an MP and his wife is a homemaker. Option C. Reena is living tonight. Reena is living tonight. The correct question tag. So Reena is present continuous. Right? So we have to put the, if the statement is positive, we have to put the negative tag. Isn't she? The right option is option B. Isn't she? I dashed to my brother last week. Writes, written, writing, wrote. It is in simple past, last week. Right? Simple past. So that's why the right option is option C, right. Question number 45. After a long search, we found a hotel dash it was closed. The correct linker to be used here is but, since, so, because. But after a long search we found ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ನಾವು ಹೋಟೆಲನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ವಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಬಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಮ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ imperfect. You see, in not imperfect, not unperfect, not disperfect, but imperfect. Perfect, imperfect. Question number 47. Machines are replacing by the workers. Machines are replacing the workers. The passive form of the above sentence is the workers. It is simple, present continuous tense. The workers are being replaced by machines. The workers are being replaced by machines. The right option is option B. The workers are being replaced by machines. Question number 48. There is nothing we could do. It took most of the following winter to buy the trees. The infinitive in the above sentence. Infinitive means fifth form of the verb. Right? Was, took, to buy, could. The right option is option C, to buy. Right? Buy, you see, bought, buy, bought, buying, to buy. The fifth form of the verb. Infinitive is the fifth form of the verb. So the right option is to buy. I dash playing football because of the injury. The correct phrasal verb to be used: gave in, gave out, gave away, gave up. So I gave up playing football because of the injury. Injury ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಆಟವನ್ನು ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ. ರೈಟ್? ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೇವ್ ಅಪ್. The word that collocates with the joint is damage, account, commerce, holiday. So joint damage, not collocative word. Joint account, right? Joint account is a collocative word. So that's why the right option is option B, joint account. The word that collocates with the joint is account, joint account. Raghu went to Mysore to meet his friend. The appropriate question to get underlined word as answer. To meet his friend, underlined words, right? Where did Raghu go? So, who went to Mysore? Why did Raghu go to Mysore? How did Raghu go to Mysore? The right option is ಯಾಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅವನು ರಘು ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೈಸೂರು ಟು ಮೀಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಫ್ರೆಂಡನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಯ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವೈ ಡಿ ರಘು ಗೋ ಟು ಮೈಸೂರು ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. 52. Could you please lend me your book? The language function of the above sentence is instructions, advice, request, suggestion. It is a request. Could you please lend me your book is a request. The language function of the above sentence is request. The word which has one syllable is, you see, postphone. Two syllabic word. So debate, two, calendar, three. So true, one syllabic word or monosyllabic word. The word which has the one syllable is true. The word which has one syllable is true. The right option is option C, true. In an official letter, respected sir is known as subscription, subject, superscription, salutation. So right option is salutation. Salutation is right answer. Bridges are built dash the river. The correct preposition to be used across, in, of, about. The right option is across the river. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಡಲಾಗಿ. Across is the right option. If I had brought my camera, we dash taken some photographs. If I had brought my camera, ನಾನೇನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರೆ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸಮ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? The correct word to be used complete the if clause sentence are would have, right? How could a boy fight a tiger? This was said by Swami. When Swami saw something moving towards him, he cried out in fear. He hugged it and used the teeth on it like a mortal weapon. He covered his face with blanket. He tried to run away from it. The right option is option B. When Swami saw something moving towards him, he hugged it and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. Dr. Anil Agarwal, seeing the extent of Roma injuries, admitted her so immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. This shows that he was scared. He was Roma's friend. He cared for life. He was very influential. He was scared. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. So he was Roma's friend? No, he was not Roma's friend. He was very influential? No. So the right option is he cared for life. He cared for her life. ಅವರ ಲೈಫನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್, seeing the extent of Roma injuries, admitted immediately to ICU without any paperwork. Question number 60. Baleshwara took Roma to hospital with the help of traffic police, a tempo truck driver, a motorist, a railway employee. The right option is tempo truck driver. Baleshwara took Roma to hospital with the help of tempo truck driver. Baleshwara shouted, "Let's go and help her," but nobody volunteered because they were afraid of getting involved. It was dark and getting late. They were scared to jump off the moving train. They thought one person was enough to help. So they were afraid of getting involved. ಅವರು ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Question number 62. Identify the activity in which the children of Rio and Media were not involved after Americans moved into the house. Identify the activity which the children of Rio and Media were not involved. Important, not involved after the Americans moved into the house. ಅವರು ಅಮೇರಿಕನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಫೆನ್ಸ್, plucking flowers on the trees, so pruning the trees. So ಅವರು ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಅವ್ರು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಪ್ಲಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೂನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಶೇಪನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಥರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೂವುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಫೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಈಸ್. So he had a lot of time. He tilled the same land his people had tilled. He was in no hurry. So he was proud to be his family. So line which suggests that the old man was a farmer. Farmer ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಈ ಟಿಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟಿಲ್ಡ್. ಅಜ್ಜ ತಾತ ಅವರು ಮುತ್ತಾತ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿಂದ ಅವನನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಈಜಾಗಿ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಬೋದು. A piece of land which fruit trees are grown as known as, ಅಂದರೆ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೀತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರೀಕ್, ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಂಚ್, ಆರ್ಚರ್ಡ್, ಮಿಡೋ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಆರ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ತೋಟ ಅಂತ, ಅದನ್ನು ಆರ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಕ್ರೀಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳ ಅಂತ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಅದು ಆರ್ಚರ್ಡ್. ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಫುಲೆ, ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು, ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆ ಎಂ ಮುನ್ಷಿ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದು ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರೂರವರು. ಮೂಕನಾಯಕ್ ಬಹಿಷ್ಕೃತ ಭಾರತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮತಾ ಅವರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗಝಿನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೂಕನಾಯಕ್ ಬಹಿಷ್ಕೃತ ಭಾರತ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮತಾ ಅವರ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ 3 ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಸೆಟ್, take him home, give him the things he likes, indulge him. This means that ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವನನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್, ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ರಿಕವರ್ಡ್, ದ ಬಾಯ್ ವಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಹೋಮ್, ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವನಿನ್ನೇನು ಭಾಳ ದಿವಸಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಬದುಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವನನ್ನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಗಿವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 68. Anant astonishing his guru because he learned to play the sitar very quickly. He was already able to compose his own tunes. He won many prizes for playing the sitar. So he was curious and asked many questions. So ಅನಂತ್ ಅಸ್ಟೋನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುರು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಗುರುವೇ ಅಷ್ಟು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ಸ್. ಅವನು ಆ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಅವನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಹಾಡುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೋಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಟ್ಯೂನನ್ನು ಅವನ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ಸ್, ಹಾಡುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವನೇ ತನ್ನ ಟ್ಯೂನನ್ನು ಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಸ್ಕೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಮ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಟು ಸತೀಶ್ ಆಸ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಹೈಕಿಂಗ್, ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್, ಕಾಲಿಗ್ರಫಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಸತೀಶ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೊ he would miss his friends. Everyone would make fun of his deafness. It was very far from house. He had lost interest in students. So everybody would make fun of his deafness. ಡೆಫ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಸ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. Question number 71. My dad knew his duties. His duty was to encourage grandma to climb trees, to advise helper to stop climbing trees, to build a tree house, to visit her in the tree house every day. The right option is option C, to build a tree house. Grandma learned to climb trees from her trainer, father, son and brother, from his brother. So grandma learned to climb trees from her brother. In the poem Quality of Mercy, mercy is compared to the crown, the king's rule, gentle rain from heaven, temporal power. Gentle rain from heaven. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. Here it refers to earthly power, mercy, scepter sway, O and majesty. Mercy. The right option is mercy. Shall I sing of your rock cuts, temples, epics, and stones? The above lines depicts India is rich in art and architecture. In the poem The Song of India, the poet wanted to sing about the Himalayas and seas, a wrinkled face and helpless child, the beggar and the leper, the strikes and class war. The right option is Himalayas and the trees. His run-down shoes have paper in them. This line suggests that Yash player was a poor ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವನು ಬಡವ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Question number 78. You talk of dash. Select the appropriate option to complete the line of the poem, The Blind Boy. Blessing of the sight, wondrous things if you see, so sun shines bright, my A plus O. The right option is wondrous things you see. Patil, the sub-inspector, wanted to help Mohan's family because he was a friend of Mohan's father. The last question. Emma Aziz gave her children the message that music was very important to her. Everyone has to face difficulties in life. One's duty is most important thing in life. They should serve in the army. This is about the question 2021. Okay, thank you.